First off, what you need just open up your Facebook account, which account you're posting on reel. So you login up. I've already logged in, and now you can go your reels feed, and then you can see here some reels I've already posted on my Facebook feed. Tap on someone, and then you can see right here. Now you can see bottom right corner three dots option. Tap on here, and then you can tap on edit reel. If you post on a reel, so you can edit this and change your music and anything. So if you want to select a specific audience like this, I've already tapped on friends. You can change friend accept and public also, friends of friends, and tap on done, and then edit their reel and tap on save. So that's it guys, see you in the next video. Bye.